Okay, 2024, March 28th. Market is open. Market is open. Let's watch this. Okay, so this is the sell side that we had. That's the order block I'm looking for to buy off of it on Q. Let's see how far we're gonna drop. That's the buy side liquidity, electronic time frame, trading hours. Technically speaking, we did take that out by 1 point or so. Was it 1 point? More like 3. But ES hasn't done it. ES has not done that yet. So we'll see. Okay, so we took that sell side. We are bouncing. Let's watch that. It's just first 5 minutes. So we do have this first day. We had a final GDP. We have Chicago PMI in 15 minutes. Let me just switch this to New York time. Perfect. All right. I have some buyers. Big boys, I'm saying. Big boys are not afraid of the sell-off at the open. They are actually holding position. Okay, this is a sell side. I mean, buy side. That's not. Yeah, this is actually RTH. It's a mistake here. RTH. Right. Let me just quickly check something. Regular. Okay, let's switch for now to electronic. We do have that liquidity down here, 5295 on the ES. 5295, which is here. Okay. Tesla a bit down, Meta a bit down, Amazon up. Nvidia is important. Okay, Nvidia dropped. We are buying it. Okay, 800 contracts. Delta. Oh, so let's just wait for this number. Chicago PMI in 4 minutes and 40 seconds. I don't think markets can do much. So my plan was to look for longs of that order block. POC probably, you know. We never got that. Just a dip. ES is just trying to sell here. ES is trying to sell into this buy side liquidity. Okay. Today is the last day of trading this week. We're gonna have to be patient. It does want to go up. It's a bit too late to chase this. Just watch on video. So basically, Nvidia needs to crack that high. And if we continue up, this could be a good signal. Up is down. Google is up. All right. Yeah, now waiting for that number at 9:45. Chicago PMI. Let's watch dollar as well for a second. Okay, 3 seconds. Golden forecasts. We did open at 18,500. Okay, yes, it's getting approaching that buy side liquidity on RTH from yesterday. Let's see what they're gonna do once we sell into it. Are we gonna continue higher, or we sell and start to go down and buy more of this order block? Well, let's watch that. Technically speaking, Nasdaq has done it with a little push here. I'm watching Bookmap as well. At the moment, probably ES is more important to see. Yeah, that's the buy side liquidity. 313, 14. And 15 as well. Yeah. So liquidity is still here. 295 liquidity down here waiting. All right. We did take the buy side on the chart, but we still have liquidity up here, so somebody's adding into it. You can see that a contract number is not falling down. It says 490. We did ate up a lot of it, and they still kept adding into it. Now it's 500 contracts waiting here at 315. Let's see. I will try maybe one more time to get into that. But that looks like a false breakout. That looks like buy side liquidity has been taken, partially at least. No continuation so far on that move up. A number was Chicago PMI. Why did this thing didn't refresh? 41. Expected 49. So it's lower. Market should go high on this number, but you know what? I don't care what these numbers mean. The market is doing whatever it wants to do. They can play this number at the end of the day. Technically speaking, market should go higher. And dollar should go lower, and that's what the dollar is doing. But the moment we take the liquidity up here, and they will load shorts, we can drop to 295. That is 16 points lower on ES. Let's look at Nasdaq. Do we have a level somewhere here? A good trade too. 75, 375. Oh, somebody's dreaming. Okay, and Q is pushing. Next liquidity on ES is here. It's just to this high, but there's not a lot of liquidity on that tip. We could do push here, up here, up here. Yeah, this is RTH. There is a little bit of volume. Let's just drop a volume profile so we can see it. Yeah, we could go up here. ES is trying one more time. This liquidity is still here, 540 contracts. I think we'll continue higher. Delta is rising 1,600. That's a decent number on NQ. I need to look for entry. I'm interested to see what's going to happen once we take this ES 5315. That's the key number. Are we going to go to 51617? sorry, 5,317, or drop. That's the main question. Yeah. Do we have anything? Pending home sales. That's London time. That's 10 p.m. That is 10 p.m. New York. Okay, just wait for it. I don't want to record all of this. Just post the video and come back when something happens. Oh. Looks like I was talking in the past video. So I did take a little short from here to there. $100 profit. Nothing too serious. And I'm waiting till that level at 5.15. At 3.15 will be taken, but a lot of shorts here. Adding position. It was kind of like an iceberg. I like that level here. Okay, we took it. That's the question. What we're gonna do next? They did sell that. They did take the 15 minutes. 15-minute candle. That's the one as well on ES. And I want to see now what we're gonna do. The reason why I'm watching ES is because ES is just taking that buy side liquidity up here. And I want to see if they will turn around or not. Small liquidity on ES. NQ is pretty empty on both sides. So you have to watch that. Tick chart is pushing higher. Yeah. A little bit. But wait. Yeah, but ES is unable to do it. ES is unable to do it. I'm jumping on the short right now. It's like a momentum trade. I think we're gonna drop this time. The momentum is to the downside at this point. At least for now. On Bookmap. ES wasn't able to close above the buy side liquidity that it took. So that tells me we should continue lower now. And there was a lot of traders on the sell side that they have been uploading, basically loading up shorts here. That's 315. They are still back up here. There's like a lot of them. This number was just holding 539 contracts and never dropped. Just This is what tells me we could get a nasty drop right now. Complete surprise to bulls. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna take that fair value gap. We'll push through it. Momentum to the downside. There we go. Let's go down, baby. Obviously, there will be someone closing here. I should take the profit. Or I can just hold. Because we are bouncing off the view up right now. But at the same time, momentum is to the downside. I'm going to take it then off that open. That brings us to $267. We'll try to find one more entry when we get back up. That was a nice drop. 34 to 99. That's a 35 points drop. Market needs to come back up now a little bit. First of all, that's the view up. It has to react off the view up. Secondly, that's the session open. So as we can see, there is a little bit of a reaction. We'll see how big. So we might continue lower. And if that is the case, yeah, I made a mistake. I didn't add. I should have added. Yeah, basically go with 10 contracts. So I could keep the second part. There we go. Okay, ES is as well sitting on the view up. Just switch to RTH maybe at the moment to see it. Yeah. We might bounce a little bit. That's the fair value gap on the 5 minutes. We're going to be looking for short somewhere here if we have an opportunity. Because this could just continue lower. If I had if I had 10 contracts, I could close 5 and hold another 5. So I think we're gonna go down, break that, or continue lower into this order block, basically into the place where I had a plan to buy off of it today. But I don't chase this. I don't chase it. Don't want to chase this. Plus, this is just the first drop. We could come up here, close this fair value gap, and then continue lower. Because nobody believes in this drop yet. And even big boys, well, they did actually sell a little bit, because we were 2,883 and we dropped to 2,300. But NQ, we were 931, now we're sitting at 858. Yeah, there we go. It's coming down. Not good. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this video and we'll see what can we get in 10-15 minutes. So maybe I'll just say what I expect. So there's still liquidity at 315 on ES, and market can push higher. There's a fair value gap on NQ here. ES probably has got a fair value gap on 3 minutes. Yeah, there we go. So 3 minutes, ES has got a fair value gap, which is just approaching right now. That was just the first drop. We'll see if market is going to continue lower, or we'll first try to build up liquidity here and then we drop. We are bouncing off VWAP on ES, under VWAP right now, but on electronic we are over VWAP, so we have to bear this in mind. NQ is weaker. So my plan now is just to wait till it climbs somewhere here and I'm gonna watch what he is doing. Also, let's look quickly at NQ. Very empty area, but NQ is just the way it is. Not much liquidity. Not always there is liquidity. That's why when there's no liquidity like that, it's just basically 15 points liquidity on both sides. You have to look what he is doing. They are sharing the same shares like Google, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, everything. Yeah, let's quickly look at Nvidia. Tesla, Nvidia. Well, as you can see, Nvidia pushed into this area, but it's closing below. That's bearish, at least for now. And this is why we were shorting it on NQ. This is not Nvidia, but NQ. NQ behaved the same way. So we are waiting to see what's gonna happen. We want market to push a little bit higher. Even also big banks. Yeah, they are actually selling a little bit. You can see 2,164. We have been 2,700. So there is a little bit of distribution right now happening. We can get a push into this 3 minutes fair value gap, and we're gonna watch what's gonna happen next. So I pause the video and we wait, so nobody's wasting time watching this for 2 hours. Okay, so something started to happen. It's 10:28 New York time. We are pushing a bit higher now. That's the fair value gap that we have. And I would like market to come into this fair value gap. So I can short it again. And use natural gas storage. Okay, it doesn't matter. Not a big mover. What market likes to do before we continue on, they would like to push a little bit higher to take these shorts from that area, to take them out, so they can load, the big boys, they can load shorts, and we drop it. I'm looking also on Bookmap, and I see that we have dropped from, I think the top was around 3,000, was it 2,900? Yeah, we are 1,000 contracts less on the delta. That's significant. NQ, we were 925, 900, almost 1,000, I think, at some point. Close to 1,000, now we're 600. So there's definitely selling. Big boys decided to sell. They sold into that. They sold into the same level on years here. So I'm thinking short. I'm thinking short, but I need to get a good entry. Okay, so we do have these 2 15 minutes. I mean, that 15 minutes has been swept. Good push up here into 1, 2, 3. Let's look at the 15 minutes here. That 15 minutes has been swept. I could push up here into this 15 minutes top. ES is still thinking about, some of them, they want to They want 315 on the sell side. 312, it's more realistic. On ES. NQ still empty on this side. Let's have a look somewhere down there. Nothing. ES. Do we still have, okay, 295 on ES. Okay. Somebody's waiting there, but the number is dropping. Big boys, 1,800. Big boys are traders who use a contract size bigger than 10. Are we gonna squeeze a little bit higher to take the shorts out from that range? Are we gonna tap into that fair value gap? Yeah. Let's quickly have a look one more time on a bigger time frame. Maybe even this. What they've done. So we did drop yesterday. Now we just saw ES looking much better for, you know, ES has dropped here for a couple of days. Then it pushed and sold into this RTH. You can see that. It sold into this RTH. Liquidity. That's the top. And so I'd say it's ready. If we're not gonna close higher, we could drop by the end of the day somewhere here. All right. Let's focus now because we've been waiting for that 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So they did take this 15 minutes, but they have this level as well. Push into fair value gap. There you go. We're approaching that. Okay. And let's watch. $5.20. Somebody's watching. I mean, somebody would like to get 520. Still pushing. Still pushing. Got 3 more minutes on this candle. Okay, slowing down a little bit, but we did take this Fibonacci gap. We basically went through it. Let's see how it closes this candle, but let's quickly have a look as well. Okay, 1,200, that's a decent number. Okay, I'm short. Let's see. Let's see how this candle closes, but I have to be short here. Potentially drop somewhere here. We'll see if that's gonna happen or not. At this candle, we got 2 more minutes. It has to close lower. Basically, it has to be a false breakout. It has to close lower by the end of 5 minutes. Well, 1 more minute, 1:39. Okay. It's very important. Very important moment. And let's see if there was a trap for bulls and there was a liquidity sweep on the buy side of that range. And if I'm right, we're gonna make money. But if I'm wrong, we have to get out. $27 on this candle. $11 and collapse now. Well, doesn't look too bad, but I have to drop below that view up. A pink line here. Let's see if they're gonna do that. Looking promising. What are we gonna do? take one out to pay for stop loss commission, and that's it. As this could continue lower now to grab that, and then we're gonna fall. It's 10:41. It's 10:41. And we could have a lovely 20 minutes ride to the downside. Come on. 2 more minutes on this candle. I can see that shorts are piling here. They are giving back. They're pushing away now. Not great. Oh, yeah. Gonna take my profit. Do I want to give a little bit of space? Stop me out. I'm okay with the stop. Fine. Well, that's not what we wanted to see. We wanted to see a continuation. Okay. So they still want to go a bit higher. We might re-enter it a bit higher. We'll see. Hmm. 50 seconds on this candle. Looks bullish. Okay. I think we're gonna push higher now. I don't want to buy. Because we're still operating below this buy side liquidity. Still operating below. Yeah, that high here. So I'm not really convinced we continue high, but we may do. Okay. This is important. Quickly switch to ES and see what ES is doing. Okay, they have a liquidity up here, 14 and 15, so they try to push higher one more time. And Q has got at 520. Oh, 45. They might try to take that 15 minutes liquidity. And then we can drop. Let's see. Yeah, there's still pressure to the downside. Big boy 615, so they are losing. They are losing this contract. 1,900 oh yes, we were 3,000. We were almost 1,000 on Nasdaq. So I can see the distributor basically selling it. Look at that, we have not pushed higher. It's just chopping here. It is just chopping here. It's just chopping. 48, we're gonna have a 50 soon. Delivery time, according to ACT, this could be a short delivery. But I would like them to take that 515 and then drop. ES is having a selling pressure right now. And Q is just holding here. "53 seconds on this candle. There we go. Okay, 18,515 approaching. Taking that 15 minutes. Candlestick. Liquidity. I'm short. Let's have a look. But it has to be. I have to be very quick with this. I'm just thinking now. Delivery time 10:50 till 11:10, and if that works, we make money. If it doesn't, we'll have to quickly close. Uh, 494 big boys, so they are selling. 494 or 515. Wow, somebody bought that. Somebody bought that. Okay, I'm out. That. We'll be pushing higher. Let's wait for better entry. Still chopping. 51. So they could push into the high 540 if they want to. Oh. Okay, I think I'll try one more time here. By looking at that, it looks promising. Big boys 515. And what now? We're gonna break lower. Let's go Nasdaq. Let's break this view up now. 53. You could get a really good push to the downside. Come on. Big boys 505, so somebody sold. Not really doing much. Need to break that view up. What is ES doing? Quickly have a look on ES. Okay. Looks like we could drop, but are we gonna drop? God damn it. 55. So 11 a.m. God damn it. Don't want to give time on this. We need to close below view up. Okay, promising. Come on. Break it. Break that view up. Just holding it. Okay. I'm not gonna risk anything on this trade because it has to drop now or it will start to go up again. That means I'm gonna close and leave it. Are you going to drop or not? Do I want to give it a bit more space? All right. I'm out. No, I'm not gonna hold it. Let's wait. Maybe they will go up now to grab that liquidity. We'll see what they're gonna do. It's holding, basically it's holding. So let's give him more time. Okay, let's wait till something happens. Yeah, so I did go into the short one more time because I noticed a little bit of weakness. Let's see if we're gonna take that view up now. Because we are approaching 15 minutes liquidity sweep. Let's see if we're gonna get lower or not. It looks good for short side. View up. Yeah, we are under view up right now. Above again. Sweeping this 15 minutes and now it's decision. Do I hold this? Oh shit. No. Do I want to hold this? Because this could be a good long. Okay, that's a long now. I'm gonna go long now. Because they swept at 15 minutes and I think we're gonna push higher. I might be doing a mistake, but just switching my stance. But at the same time, there is liquidity up there. That we could push into. There we go. Big boys 515. 520. So many times in profit, but didn't take anything. So I'm gonna take something now. Just to cover those little losses that I had. Oh, I'm okay with this. So that brings us back to $282 per day. All right, let's wait till they grab that liquidity one more time. If they do it, so I can see that piling in again. So far that was a good exit. I still think this is short, but they can do a nasty push into the stop losses of all the shorts, maybe even higher, and then drop. Oh, there you go. Look at this. What a surprise. You just got stopped if you were short, basically, up there. Let's try short then. Because now we might finally get the move to the downside. When they collected everything. There we go. That looks good. The US has done the same thing. Finally we are in the trade. It's gonna work. Yes. How far are we going? We're going. There's no reason to hold anything. I mean, to drop anything and, close anything. I think we just need to continue lower now. Come on. Yeah, the pressure is to the downside. One minute and 31 seconds on this candle. Yes. Have I wasted that short? God damn it. Ooh. Very choppy market. Nah, take that. 362. Yeah, 362 for the day. Holiday weekend. It's very choppy. This market is so choppy. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't like only this one reason that we did push into these stop losses. We did that on ES. That was a beautiful push into stop losses here on ES, but we haven't done it really, have we? We have actually. We have actually. Well, let's try one more, but just 5 contracts on MQ. MNQ. Pretty much the same place where I closed the previous. But at least I saw some action. Weakness may continue. I just don't like the fact that big boys are 581 right now. They are buying it. I just don't like that. Are we gonna break that and just drop at least to 470? 70, 75 we do have a liquidity waiting here. 75. Are you gonna drop that? Or what? Big boys 608. I'm trading against big banks right now. I feel very uncomfortable with this thing. No. No. And there you go. 608 big boys. They are buying that pullback. All right. Yeah. If there was a continuation move, we would have continued lower on this candle. This candle would be here right now, not trying to get up. Yeah. Very choppy market today. That was a couple of times in little profits like $70, $80 here. It was stopped out for nothing. This was a good long for scalping. Basically, you need to scalp this market at the moment. Yeah, there you go. This number never lies. Big boys are buying. But do I want to buy that now? I should, and I'm gonna buy. If I don't feel like I want to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Just to grab a little bit. I didn't buy it in the right place. But let's just leave it, because now whoever was short is really trapped. $6.19. basically bought it into the resistance. Yeah. Chasing market is never a good idea. There you go, look at it. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now. Let's see if they can continue now. There we go. They took them out. And squeeze. This long has got a lot of sense. You know, market is ES as well pushing higher. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be getting out one by one. When we approach the high. No. Another resistance. I don't like that thing. I don't like it. I go up. I had a bad position. If I bought that here, there would be a different story. But I bought it up here. Because I was chasing. And then it's very difficult to hold something like that because it's going to keep coming back into this top, and it will probably go higher, but to be honest, I'm pretty happy with this. The $352. It was everything about scalping mode today. Plus the time right now, the time is 11:20, so we are within that in between, half an hour and full hour. So there's always chop during the time. If we get lower, back to view up, I might buy this long one more time. But I need a better price than I had. If we come back here. Let's quickly have a look on ES. Look what ES has done. Basically got to the top. They have have not pushed through the stop losses. But we got time, got 9 minutes. Okay, big boys, 588. We had 619. So they did sell a little bit here. So this could be still short. You know, like a final push into this. As well, final push on ES into this. You know, sell side liquidity. And then we drop. And Q has got some liquidity, you know, 820, 825. But you can tell it's a holiday weekend coming. We close tomorrow. There's no point to trade, really. You can tell this by looking at the liquidity. It's very low liquidity up here. Okay, ES is trying to take that 15 level. $11:23 New York time. Look at that. It's not doing much. The time is important. 11:30 we could push through this buy side liquidity. Yeah. Push through it. Maybe even up here. But that will be at 11:20, 11:30, or just after that. Market is very slow today. I think I'm going to finish here. Thanks for watching, guys. So, as the final result for today, 352, $352. Take care. Like and subscribe if you want to see more trading. Bye.